everyone, it's me, your super friendly globe. Welcome to Geography in 10 minutes. But today, we're taking a little more time because this question is huge and super important. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's go. The big question today is, what exactly is geography and why does it actually matter to you? Stick with me. This is going to be fun, I promise. First things first, what comes to your mind when you hear the word geography? Maps, capitals, rivers and mountains? Yeah, that's part of it. But geography is so much bigger and cooler than that. Geography is the study of our amazing planet Earth. It's about where things are, why they are there, and how everything connects. Think of it like this. Geography is the ultimate detective story of our world. It asks the big why and how questions. Why is the Amazon rainforest so wet? Why do people in Tokyo live in tiny apartments? Why do some places have volcanoes and others have beautiful beaches? That's geography. Now, let's break it into two main parts. They're best friends who work together every single day. Part 1, physical geography. This is all about the natural stuff, the land, the water, the air, the weather. Imagine you're standing on a mountain. How did that mountain get there? Plate tectonics push the Earth's crust up. Boom! Mountain! Or think about the ocean. Why is the Pacific so huge? Why do rivers flow to the sea? Why does it rain so much in some places and almost never in deserts? Physical geography explains all of that. It shows us how our planet works like a giant living machine. Part 2, human geography. This is about us, people. Where do we live? Why do we live there? How do we change the planet? And how does the planet change us? For example, why is New York a huge city full of skyscrapers? Because it has a perfect harbor and lots of people wanted to trade. That's human geography. So geography is like two sides of the same coin. One side is nature. The other side is people. Together they tell the full story. Now here's the really cool part. Why does all of this matter to you? Let me give you 5 big reasons. Reason number 1, it helps you understand climate change. Right now, our planet is getting warmer. Geography shows us exactly where it's happening fastest. The Arctic, coral reefs, big cities. When you know geography, you can understand the news better and even help solve the problem one day. Reason number 2, it makes you a smarter traveler. Next time you go on vacation or just look at photos online, you'll know why that place looks the way it does. You'll understand the culture, the food, the language, and the landscape. Travel becomes way more exciting. Reason number 3, it helps you choose a future career. Geography opens tons of cool jobs. You can become a climate scientist, a city planner, a drone pilot who maps disasters, a wildlife protector, or even a video game designer who creates realistic worlds. Geography is everywhere. Reason number 4, it makes you a better global citizen. When you understand why people live differently around the world, you stop judging, you start respecting, you become kinder and more curious. Reason number 5, it's just super interesting. Every day you learn something new that blows your mind. Did you know that the longest place name in the world is in New Zealand? Or that there's a place in Canada where the river flows backwards twice a day because of the tides? Geography is full of these wow moments. Okay, let's make this even more fun. Quick challenge for you right now. Look around your room or out the window. Ask yourself, why does my city or village look like this? Why is the weather like this today? What would change if the river nearby dried up? That's you doing geography. Before we finish, here are 3 mind-blowing facts to remember. Fact 1, there are more than 7,000 languages on Earth. Most of them are spoken in places with huge biodiversity. Geography and culture are best friends. Fact 2, over half of the world's population lives in cities now. In 1950, it was only 30%. We are changing our planet faster than ever. Geography helps us see that. Fact 3, the deepest point in the ocean is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. We have explored less than 5% of it. There's still so much to discover. So, what is geography? It's the story of our home. It's the map of our past, present, and future. It's the reason everything is connected. And why does it matter? Because this is your planet. The more you understand it, the more you can protect it, enjoy it, and make it better. Thank you so much for watching with me today. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss a new episode, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you learned today about geography? I read every single comment. Next week, we're going to explore the 7 continents in a super fun way. You don't want to miss it. Until then, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, the world is way more interesting when you understand geography. See you in the next video!